Dive into day trading, fast cash, real risks. Hey there, future Wall Street wizards. Jim Cramer here, your guide to the wild world of day trading. We're talking quick trades, big swings, and the potential for serious profits. But hold your horses. Day trading ain't for the faint of heart. It's a high-stakes game that demands your full attention, a cool head, and a solid strategy. Think of day trading like surfing. You gotta ride the waves of market volatility to make bank. That means buying low, selling high, all within the same trading day. No holding overnight, just pure adrenaline-pumping action. Sounds exciting, right? It is. But remember, with great profits comes great risk. Before you dive in headfirst, ask yourself, do you have the stomach for this roller coaster? Can you handle the pressure? Because day trading requires laser focus, quick thinking, and nerves of steel. If you're easily spooked, this might not be the game for you. But hey, if you're up for the challenge, I'm here to give you the tools and knowledge to navigate this exciting world. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's make some money. Picking your battles, the right stocks for day trading. All right, rookies, let's talk stocks. Not just any stocks, mind you, but the kind that gets day traders' blood pumping. We're looking for liquidity and volatility, the lifeblood of any good day trade. Think of liquidity like a crowded party. You want stocks with lots of buyers and sellers, so you can easily jump in and out of positions. High trading volume is your cue. The more action, the better. Now for the fun part, volatility. We want stocks that move, baby. Big price swings mean big profit potential. Look for stocks with a history of making bold moves, the kind that keeps you on the edge of your seat. But here's the catch. High volatility also means high risk. These stocks can turn on a dime, leaving you with losses faster than you can say margin call. That's why it's crucial to choose your battles wisely. Start by researching different sectors and industries. Look for companies with upcoming news, earnings reports, or product launches. These events can trigger major price swings, creating golden opportunities for savvy day traders. Remember, picking the right stocks is like choosing your weapon in a duel. Choose wisely, young Padawan, and may the market odds be ever in your favor. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. The more you trade, the better you'll get at spotting those golden opportunities. Collaborate with other traders, learn from their experiences, and refine your strategies. Keep a journal of your trades, noting what worked and what didn't. This will help you improve over time. The stock market is a dynamic and ever-changing battlefield. Stay alert, stay informed, and stay ahead of the game. With the right stocks and the right mindset, you can conquer the day trading world. Good luck out there. Charts don't lie. Mastering technical analysis. Listen up, traders. In the world of day trading, technical analysis is your crystal ball. It's all about reading the charts, spotting patterns, and predicting future price movements. No need for fancy degrees here, just a keen eye and a willingness to learn. Think of candlestick charts as your roadmap to market sentiment. Each candle tells a story. The battle between bulls and bears, buyers and sellers. Learn to read these stories and you'll unlock the secrets hidden within the price action. Moving averages are your trusty sidekicks, helping you identify trends and potential breakouts. They smooth out the noise and show you the bigger picture. Use them to spot buy and sell signals and ride those trends to profit town. Don't forget about indicators. These handy tools provide valuable insights into market momentum, volatility, and overbought, oversold conditions. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. These are your weapons of choice in the technical analysis arsenal. Remember, technical analysis is a skill honed through practice and experience. Study the charts, experiment with different indicators, and find what works best for you. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the market maze. Beyond the numbers, unlocking fundamental analysis. Hold up, chart junkies. Technical analysis is powerful, but don't underestimate the importance of fundamentals. We're talking about the nuts and bolts of a company, its financials, management team, and overall industry outlook. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a used car without checking under the hood, right? Same goes for stocks. Before you hit that buy button, dig deep into a company's financial statements. Look for strong earnings, revenue growth, and a solid balance sheet. But numbers only tell part of the story. Pay attention to the news. Company announcements, industry trends, even geopolitical events can all impact stock prices. Stay informed and be ready to adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Remember, you're not just buying a stock, you're investing in a company's future. So, do your homework, understand the business, and make sure it aligns with your investment goals. A solid understanding of fundamentals will give you an edge in the market and help you make informed trading decisions. Playing it safe, risk management for smart traders. All right, hotshots. Let's talk risk management, the not so sexy but oh so crucial aspect of day trading. It's the backbone of any successful trading strategy. Remember, it's not about winning every trade. It's about protecting your capital and staying in the game for the long haul. Consistency is key. Think of risk management like wearing a helmet while riding a motorcycle. It's your safety net. It might not be glamorous, but it could save your life, or at least your trading account. A small price to pay for peace of mind. The key is to minimize potential losses and protect your hard-earned profits. This is how you build a sustainable trading career. First things first. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. This golden rule keeps you grounded. Day trading is a high-stakes game, and losses are inevitable. Accepting this reality is crucial. Determine your risk tolerance and set strict stop-loss orders on every trade. This is your first line of defense. These orders automatically sell your position if the price drops below a certain level, limiting your potential downside. It's like having a safety parachute. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is your friend. Diversify your portfolio across different sectors and asset classes. This spreads out your risk. And reduces the impact of any single trade going south. It's a buffer against volatility. Remember, emotions can be your worst enemy in trading. Stay calm and composed. Don't let greed or fear cloud your judgment. Make decisions based on logic and analysis. Stick to your trading plan, manage your risk effectively, and you'll be well on your way to consistent profitability. Discipline and strategy are your best allies. Your blueprint to success. Crafting a winning trading plan. Listen up, traders. This is your guide to mastering the market. A well-defined trading plan is your roadmap to success in the market jungle. It's not just a document, it's your strategic partner. It outlines your goals, strategies, and risk management rules. Your personal playbook for navigating the ups and downs of day trading. This plan is your anchor in the stormy seas of the market. Think of it like this. You wouldn't embark on a cross-country road trip without a map, right? Similarly, you shouldn't trade without a plan. Your trading plan is your navigational tool, guiding your decisions and keeping you on track towards your financial destination. It helps you stay focused and avoid impulsive decisions. Start by defining your trading goals. What do you want to achieve in the short term and the long term? Are you aiming for quick scalps, capturing small profits from intraday price movements? This requires a keen eye and quick decision making. Or are you after bigger swings, holding positions for longer durations? This approach demands patience and a broader market perspective. Knowing your objectives will shape your trading strategy and risk appetite. It's crucial to align your strategy with your personal risk tolerance. Next, establish clear entry and exit points for your trades. This is where your technical and fundamental analysis comes into play. This involves identifying specific technical or fundamental triggers that signal buying or selling opportunities. These signals should be well researched and tested. Don't rely on gut feeling. Let your plan guide your decisions. Emotional trading can lead to costly mistakes. Finally, outline your risk management rules. This is perhaps the most critical part of your plan. Determine your maximum risk per trade, set stop-loss orders, and establish profit targets. These measures will help you manage your risk effectively. Having these guardrails in place will help you stay disciplined and protect your capital during volatile market conditions. It's about preserving your trading capital. Remember, your trading plan is a living document. It should evolve as you gain more experience and as market conditions change. Continuously review and refine it based on your performance, market conditions, and evolving trading goals. Regular updates ensure your plan remains relevant. With a well-structured plan and the discipline to stick to it, you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting world of day trading. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and let your plan be your guide.